Hello, hello. Live stream number 85. Alrighty. Alright, had a really good day yesterday, by the way. Plus 700. Definitely a successful day. Started off a little rocky, but ended up being good. Let's see. Alright, just gotta set a couple things up here. Alright. All right, so we're going into Thursday, June 29th. Almost at the end of the week, almost at the end of the month. All right, so let's go ahead and check the news first. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of news 5:30. Decent amount of news at 1:30, but not too heavy. Lots of news during I think that's the Australia session. So I won't be worried about that. And it is a Italian bank holiday. Feast of St. Peter and St. Paul. I think that was going on yesterday too, right? No. Okay. Well, that's one country in the European Union, so I don't know if that's gonna affect too much. Probably not. So it looks like the news is okay. Let's check the dollar. Looks like the dollar should be going up, or should continue to go up. Might get a little pullback here. Let's actually check the daily. Yeah, it's got the double bottom already on the daily. Okay. I'll keep an eye on it. I'm not sure. The dollar moved a lot yesterday, so there's definitely a possibility that it won't move very much today. All right, so we got let's check the odd NZD. Okay, I might finally go long here. I still haven't done it yet. It's definitely looking like it's going up at this point. I'll look out for something there too. And let's go ahead and check the majors. The air is so dry today. My throat is so dry. I had to turn the humidifier on and everything. Yeah, there was that trade I took yesterday. I was just a little bit too early. And the Euro GB, yeah, I got stopped out by like, let's see, 56, 62. So I got stopped out by 6 pips and then went through right after. So there was that one, but I also had 2 others. Yeah, it looks like these can definitely come down some more. Here's my other one. So that one went through over here. So that was a pretty good trade. Actually got I forget how much. I think I doubled up on that one. And then also had the UCAD. This is my other winning trade from yesterday. And took a little bit long. But it ended up going through over there. So that was a nice one too. Definitely took a minute though. That's why you gotta let your trades run. Definitely gotta let your trades run. I actually could have gotten a little bit more out of that. All right. Very heavy volume. And what else we got? You Frank went up a lot. I actually thought about getting into that one too. It was like too many dollar trades, so I just went with the other ones. Let's see, S&P kind of, let's see. Oh yeah, S&P went up too. Now, no surprise there either. Although I don't really trade that. And then gold kind of chopped around. Nothing special there. Bitcoin is still above 30K. And let's check out the EGBP. One of my favorites. Actually lost my trade on here yesterday. It went up went way up. I think that was my first trade yesterday. And let's see what else we got. And let's check out the yens over here. Yeah, my charts are all messed up. Okay. Yeah, I don't see anything over here. So today's looking like odd NZD. Probably not the EGBP since it went up so much yesterday. Probably not much to do here. And we just quickly check the cross pairs, Euro and GBP cross pairs, which I don't trade anyway. But I'll check them out. Yeah, I don't see anything there. Nothing. Nah, nothing there. These two pairs I never trade. I don't know why I have them on here, but maybe someday I'll actually take a trade on those. I think I've taken one trade on the NZD CAD and I lost it. And that was the only trade I've taken on either one of those two the whole entire time. So I might end up just taking them off. I don't know. They're kind of just there for no reason at this point. All right. Yeah, you probably could go short here, but nah, it's not good enough. It's still got so much room here to go up. So I'm going to leave that one alone today. Most likely. Yep, so it's looking like odd NZD. I might be able to go short on one of the backside dollar pairs. Maybe. Yeah, probably. Actually, yeah, I might be able to do it here. Matter of fact, let me pull that up. All right, so 15 minutes before the open. Still got plenty of time. Yep, definitely can go short on those, maybe long on this one. I wouldn't bet on it going up for too much longer though. Then again, yeah, as long as the dollar breaks past this level, it kind of already has, but yeah, if it gets like a nice bar here, it definitely should continue going up. So yeah, other than that, I don't see much else. So far this week has been like it's either a bunch of stuff happening or nothing happening. It seems to be the theme of the week. So yeah, Euro USD short, odd NZD long. As soon as I get some type of confirmation on that, that's what I should be able to get today. Oops, hold on. All right. All right, just have to wait for the open now. About 12 minutes. Yeah, I didn't actually listen to this playlist before I used it, so hopefully it's good. Like I said, I can't hear it, so hopefully it's not some crazy stuff. Actually, let me make sure. They're usually pretty good, but what if it's not? Okay, it's like a space age shooter video game. All right. Sounds all right. You said she. This guy. Mr. Tiger, how you doing? Or is it Mrs. Tiger? I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, long day for sure. Just a reminder, the haters are in full force. Always be on the lookout. The haters, the monsters, the blah blah blahs. Yep, definitely ready to trade full time at this point. Not trying to deal with the phoniness and yeah, I don't know. I wasn't built to be phony. I wasn't built to be kissing people's ass, and any of this kind of stuff is just not my style at all. You know, I bring the skill and the talent, and that's it. I'm not going to be doing all this extra stuff. I don't see the use in it. I think it weakens you as a person. That's just my take on it. Oh, you say who's hating? People always hating. Lots of people hating. I'm used to it by now, really. Hating for no reason. Oh, you say what's going on? Nothing important. Nothing important. Yeah, actually might get a move down on the EGBP. Like I said, it's not the best. Yeah. Yeah, anybody can say anything. That's why you shouldn't even be worried about it. People are allowed to have opinions. It doesn't mean it's true or that you should accept it or absorb it. Yeah. Yeah, they can't beat you, so they, you know, try to drag you down to where they are. You know. The usual. Yeah, I think I'm definitely getting into the odd NZD. I do want to wait for the open though. Even though it looks like it's ready now, I could probably already do it and just put the stop down here. But I will wait for the open just to be safe. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, focus on you and keep up the good work. Yeah, that's all you got to do. That's it. You should be so busy you're not even thinking about other people and their opinions and any of it. It just shouldn't even matter. Like I said, let people talk. It's fine. I want people to talk. I don't want to live in some world where people can't say what they have to say. Go ahead and say what you have to say. It doesn't mean I have to listen to it. Oh, this is a nice pullback here. I might do it. Depending on what happens with this bar. Well, we're already 4 minutes away, so I mean. Oh, something tells me to get in now, though. Something tells me. I think, am I gonna do it? What's a nice tight stop loss too? I should wait. It's only 3 minutes until the open anyway. But I do think I'm gonna take this trade here. Oh, it's so good. Shit. Maybe I will get into it. Nah, just wait. Yep, no drama. I'm actually a pretty low drama person too. I'm really not into all that. People drag you into stuff anyway. I'm not, you know. I'm a grown adult, I guess. Is what I'm trying to say. Not into all the foolishness. Okay, yeah, this will probably be the first trade that I take. Got a minute and 30 seconds before the open, so I want to see what happens. Hopefully it goes up a little bit. If it goes up a little bit, it'll give me an even better pullback, but it's already good as is. Yeah. Yep, get a nice circle of quality people that are not into that kind of stuff. You won't even have to worry about it. So yeah, just avoid those kinds of people if you can. Sometimes you get forced to be around people like that. There's not much you can do in that situation. You just have to kind of deal with them as long as you can, but yeah. Okay, oh, perfect. Perfect. Okay, well, here's the open, by the way. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and get into the ZD. Okay, so this is still going up. I have time to get in over here. All right, so I'm gonna do 10. I think I do 10. And what's the take profit? Oops. Try to catch this one quick. 10 and 20. It's gonna go that far. Maybe I wait on that one. But this one, I think I get into now. Or did I let it form a bar first? Okay. Ooh, so many things happening at once. All right. Yeah, I do think I take this one. Yep. Okay. So I'm just... Okay. I'll go ahead and... Yep, I'll go ahead and sell this here. Alrighty. Yo, yo, yo. MKKM, how's it going? Alright, so I got a little short here. Okay, what's the... oh, 8. Alright. 8 times 3, 24. 24. I gotta add this. 25, actually. Okay. There's that. And then the odd and ZD, I gotta get back over there. Five. Okay. Alright, so definitely a nice pullback. Should be fine. Now, if this EGBP goes up any further, might have some problems actually. And then what do we got here? Oh, okay. Gotta get in this one now. All right, so I actually do 9. All right. Odd and ZD is one of those you gotta change the position size. $36. Okay. I always get nervous when the trades look this easy. It can't be this easy, can it? Let's see. There we go. All right. Okay. All right, got another one here. Okay. So it's possible I needed to put the stop underneath here. I'm not going to move it though. So if it fails, but that might be the case. Hopefully not. Yeah. Other than that, I didn't see much else that I was looking to get into. But that could change. Definitely could change. Yeah, this is a really nice EMA pullback on the hourly chart. So it should be a really easy trade. And if I get both of these, it'll be $1,200. So that'd be really nice. I wouldn't be mad at it at all. Yeah, definitely possible I got into early though. Okay, 2 winning trades on gold. Nice. You guys love trading gold. I never got into it. Maybe one of these days I might take out the odd CAD and NZD CAD and maybe I'll start focusing on the S&P and gold. Since everyone likes it so much, there must be something to it. I actually used to not trade the odd NZD before. But now it's one of the pairs I take a decent amount of trades on. Oh, was that too early? Okay, looks like I might be okay. Let's get past here. I could have just did the sell stop under there. That would have been the responsible way. You said you're a beginner trader, trying to focus on losing less than I started. That's a good start for sure. You don't have a live account yet. Oh yeah, man, I've been doing this for a while, so you know, just hang in there, continue learning, continue trading every day. I think that's the most important part, is actually trading every day. That's where you get most of the knowledge from. Actually seeing it and experiencing it for yourself is the best way to learn, I think. Yeah, these are some tight stops I used. Man. Yeah, maybe should use a little bit bigger stop here. Probably. Okay. Looks like it might be alright. Yeah, I really could like add 2 pips to each stop that I do. I think I make my stops a little bit too tight sometimes. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go. You might as well add a little cushion in there. Ah, looks like it was too early. Too early here. Possibly. Oh, I should move it. I really should. I should move it like 2 pips. I should move both of these 2 pips. Down to 12. Way too tight on those stop losses. Way too tight. Let's see. 8 to 10. Okay. And if I'm wrong on that, then it won't be, you know, too big of a difference. All right, so I did move it up 10. And move this one down 12. All right. So I think I'm right. Let's hope that I am. I trade a bunch of different accounts. So I'm looking to add I'm gonna start up a 100K FTMO on Monday, so I'm looking to add another 100K account, and then I have my own accounts. So like I said, by like October, I would like to have the full 400K. That's what I'm working on right now. Ooh, tight stops, tight. All right, went for the entire double stop here. So 16. I don't think I'm wrong. I don't think I'm wrong. If I if I am, it gets covered by the other trade. But in the worst case scenario, if I'm wrong, this trade will get covered by this one. They both fail. Still not too bad. It'd be like losing 3 trades instead. You said tomorrow you're gonna try to bench 245 for 2. That's a lot of weight, man. That is a lot of weight. Oh man, EGBP is flying. Okay, that's most likely gonna make my trade fail. It's going up so heavy. All right, so today's probably gonna end up like yesterday. Starts off terrible, and then I finally end up winning in the end. As long as stuff is moving, I can get something going. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that's a good sign there. Yeah, it's a lot of weight, man. I personally don't go over 205, at least currently. I'm just kind of scared. Your wrists are so small. So it's like, even if you have the chest and the biceps and the triceps and everything, you gotta think about your joints too. Well, if you're like a taller, bigger dude, you could probably pull it off. I'm kind of small framed, so I don't want to overdo it either. Warman platformers, how's it going? You said you're new to the stream. How long have I been trading? 3.5 years now. Maybe a little longer. It'll be 4 years in September. So coming up on 4 years. Yep, coming up on 4 years. I went from zero market experience at all to full-time. Well, not full-time income yet, but I trade full-time. Trade Monday through Friday. The London session only currently. Hopefully soon I could do the London and the New York session. That'd be pretty cool. Lots more opportunities. Sometimes the London session is slow. The problem with the New York session is it has a lot of news. So, oh yeah, good thing I moved to stop here, huh? Sometimes it's the way to go. I don't recommend it all the time, but sometimes I should have just used a bigger stop in the first place. I wouldn't have had to use it just to move it. Start a Discord group. You're not the first person to say that. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, always trying to expand and things like that. I definitely got to make some changes on the website. I still have to put out the course version 2.5, which I have not done yet. That's the free upgrade for all the existing members. Yeah, definitely something I'm thinking about. Yeah, YouTube is actually a lot of work, believe it or not. Yeah, man. Yeah, go for it, man. It's harder than it looks, I'll tell you that much. Definitely don't think it's easy. Benching those 245s. Yeah, I think you said you're a little bit taller, right? Like over 6 foot. You said, do I trade the indices or just Forex pairs? Mainly just Forex pairs for now. I've been looking at the S&P though. I'm trying to learn it. All the different pairs are different. So I'm working on possibly starting to trade the S&P. I don't love the spread, and I don't love the fact that you have to put in a calculation to get your position size. It's kind of like time consuming. But it does have some super easy moves sometimes. So I see why people like to trade it. Okay, you're around my height, but you weigh a lot more than me. I'm 5'10", I weigh like 165. The S&P is the S&P 500. This one right here. Yeah, it puts out some really easy moves. So I'm learning this one currently. Take a look over it. Take a look over at it every once in a while. See what it's doing. Yeah, gold. I don't know if I'll ever be a gold trader, but maybe. No, the S&P goes all the time. It's going right now. It might be a little bit slower during London, but it goes all day. Okay, just barely. Oh no, I got the triple. Yeah, 16, 24. Okay. Yeah, that's my modified rule there. I'll move the stop on occasion, but only to 3. I can't go past 3. So I did go to 3 on this one just because I'm that confident in the trade. So hopefully I'm not wrong. Yeah, SPX USD. Depending on the broker, it might be something else. Sometimes it's like SP 500, something like that. It's got a couple different names depending on where you look. Yeah, stock index. I forget exactly what it is. I think it's like the top 500 companies in America or something like that. Very common index. Okay, I think I caught it now. Yeah, this one should be fine now. Because the dollar should start to come up. It's at the 21 EMA on the hourly chart, and it's at the 8 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So it might take a minute to actually reverse, but this should be where it reverses. Yep. And this one's looking pretty good. So I definitely won't move the stop anymore on this one just because there's a big giant bar here. So if it goes down past that, then it probably will continue to go down. So I'll just take the loss if that happens. And let me take a quick look around. Everything else. GN. Yeah, the S&P is really good to invest in. I think it's gone up for like the past 50 years or something. Visible ID. You mentioned the other night Forex is a simulation of futures. The S&P is a good example. The Forex CFD symbol is tracking the ES futures contract. I'm not really sure what you mean by that. A simulation of futures? So you're saying futures are easier? Harder? Okay. Oh yeah, I think I caught this one. Perfect. If it gives me another entry, I might even take another trade here. Yeah, honestly, I don't know much about the other markets. I know about Forex. I know a decent amount about stocks. A little bit about the precious metal and commodity. I don't know anything about options or futures at all. So when people talk about them, I have no idea what they're talking about. But eventually I want to learn more about all of it. But yeah, right now I don't know anything about that. Yeah, definitely was early on this one. And like I said, I could have avoided the potential loss by just setting a sell stop here. And that would have made it much safer. Much safer. So that's what I should have done. But I think I got it anyway. Definitely got to get better about that. Okay, you said futures are regulated, so there are protections from bad actors like unscrupulous brokers. So if someone tries to run away with your money, you have avenues for recourse. I mean, that's Forex too. At least the US brokers. Now if you do like a offshore broker, you know, they could do whatever, but if you use a US broker, then you definitely protected for sure. I don't know if they put gold in the commodity or precious metals category or both. But yeah, future is like a separate market. Yeah, Forex is pretty popular, like internationally. Yeah, it was just the first one that I decided to learn, so I just kind of stuck with it. Who knows? Maybe I'll trade stocks in the future. I don't know. It might be easier. Not that Forex is bad, but you know, if it can be even better, why not? Hmm. Yeah, one of these days I'll have to buy like a book on futures and options so I can understand what you guys are saying when you tell me this stuff. Hmm. Yeah, this is gonna be a tight one here. I think that other one is fine. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, this one came down a lot too. Um, yeah, like I said, I wouldn't even bother moving the stop on this one. Yeah, yeah, I agree. Trading is a super valuable skill. Probably the best skill I've ever learned. My fitness skills and my trading skills, those are the two I really, and sales skills. Those are good too. But yeah, those are, I guess, three skills I really am glad that I learned. And yeah, I look at the stock charts. They look pretty much the same as the Forex charts. Little differences here and there. They have like a lot of gaps in them, which you don't see a whole lot in Forex, but it's mostly the same stuff. Yeah, definitely, you know, learn something. I went with trading. There's a bunch of other things you can do, but you know, I don't know. I was not built for corporate America type of stuff. I'm just, I don't know. Maybe I'm low key a thug or something. Like somebody like screws me over, I'm ready to throw hands and stuff. Like, I don't take well that kind of stuff. It's just weird to me because I don't do that kind of stuff to people. So it's weird how corporate America is. I'm like, I'm gonna end up shooting one of these people or something. Yeah, I just can't. I can't be in those type of environments. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the stock market is limited in hours, whereas Forex is not 24/7, but like 24/6, 24/5, something like that. Much more flexible. Definitely can't trade stocks right now. There's some stuff you can do though. Like I said, you can trade the indexes, and gold is going right now. The new COD Warzone is good. You know, I sold my PS5. I was I had to focus on all this stuff, so I'm taking a break from the games right now. I'll be back though. Yeah, I'm waiting on a couple things. Just getting everything together right now, and you know, you kind of gotta delay gratification, I guess you would say, so you can have a much better future. So I've been partying, kicking it for 10, 15 years or something. That's all I did all my 20s. So I mean, it's time to get a little bit more serious, get things going, and then I can go back to partying. That is the plan. Yeah, I was super good at Call of Duty. Super good. I was good. I was good at all the different guns too. I was good at the sniper. I was good at the hip fire. I was good at the pistol. I was crushing that game. I'm not good at Fortnite though. I tried that one. I was not very good at that one. Yeah, man. Man, I wish I knew about Forex when I was 21. Man. I hadn't even heard of it until, you know, 2016 or something. I didn't even know what Forex was. Yeah, I played a lot of video games growing up. Not so much as an adult, but I was like really good at it, all of them. Much better than the average person, I'll say that. I don't know about like professional level, but okay, this one's looking much better. Man, these trades have been taking long lately. Yeah, still a chance I could lose this trade, which I'd be pretty mad about because then it'll probably go through right after. This based off the hour chart, definitely should go through. But that's okay. I think I got the other one for sure. That odd NZD trade should go through for sure. This one, I'm a little iffy on this one. It's looking like it's about to squeeze out of there. Yeah, pretty much price action only. I don't use indicators and stuff to take trades other than the EMAs. Yeah. Yeah, I take pretty much all my trades off the hourly chart. Whatever's going on down there, over here is what I'm paying attention to. And that's look for a good entry on the 5-minute. Yeah, I tried all the indicators in the beginning, probably like my first year or year and a half. I had a bunch of indicators, the RSI, the Bollinger Bands, I don't even remember what they are now, but I tried them all and it didn't seem to help much, at least for me. I know some people swear by some of those, and I came across that naked Forex, I think it's called, a little book. It kind of changed my whole perspective about the whole thing. And I'm all about like simplicity, because this is already kind of complicated anyway, so the more simple you can make it, the better. Yeah, London is the more chill session. New York's got a lot more action, but it's a lot of news and stuff during the New York. So it's kind of hard to trade through news unless that's what you do. Some people actually trade news as their like style. I actually try to avoid the news if I can. So like I said, I eventually like to be able to trade both sessions. So I get the best of both worlds. Because sometimes as much news as there is on the New York, I wouldn't even be able to trade certain days. That doesn't happen too much on London. Yeah, definitely got to look at your trades the next day, analyze everything, see what you did right. Do a lot of like studying on what patterns look good. What does a heavy trend look like? What does a nice pullback look like? What does a nice consolidation look like, and stuff like that. I'd say one thing that made my trading way better is heavy trends usually just keep going, especially on the hourly chart. So betting against trends is usually not the best plan. See, like this I did here, this is not a trend. This is it should be a continuation of the move down. So this is just continuing. It should just continue to go down. So it's such a nice pullback all the way to the 21. It almost has no choice but to come down. But I definitely got into it too early, and I should have used that stop order, like I said. Yeah, trading the news can be good. But you got to keep in mind, some of the prop firms, they restrict certain news events because the slippage is too high, and they don't want, you know, they don't want you losing like 6 trades at once, and you might have over risked or something, and it could be a disaster really fast. I think that's why they do that. Man, these are taking forever. Looking better though. Okay. Now it looks a lot better. I think there's a little news event coming up. Let's see. 1:30. So yeah, it is on the way. Got a very tiny one here. 1 o'clock. All right, finally back into a profit on my Auden ZD, or it was. There we go. All right, quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Oh, there we go. Oh, maybe not. All right, this one's looking good. Oh my goodness, this one's like right at the. I think worst case is gonna go up to here, on the top of this big bar here, and then come down. If it goes up that far. If I get stopped out, it's gonna go like a little bit more. Oh my goodness. I can't move the stop anymore though. Sunil Kumar, you said, I am from India. How to participate? How to participate in trading? If you're talking about FTMO, that's FTMO.com. If you're talking about I don't know, learning from the course, you can go to my website. Got my YouTube channel, you can look around there. Yeah, you can learn a lot just from watching my videos. But if you want like a concentrated guided way through, you could buy the course. Either way, you could learn all the stuff on your own. It'd be easier with someone telling you what to look for and where to go and stuff, but you can definitely learn all this stuff on your own. I pretty much did. So combination of books and courses and experience. But yeah, if you want the easy, you know, it's www.ccxcollective.com. Yeah, I'll put it in the chat for you. So that's my website there. Yeah, so if the worst case scenario happens here and it does stop me out and then go up to here, I could just get back into another trade and then use the same take profit. So it'd be like, let's see what it'll be, because I can't move the stop anymore. That's a hard rule that I have. So let's say it comes up here, puts in a big red bar or something, probably 9 pip stop loss. It'd be like a 54 pip take profit or something. So I would still end up in a profit if that does happen. I would have to sit here. I would have to sit and wait for that to happen though, and it's really no telling when that's actually gonna. Yeah, I hope that doesn't happen. It made me kind of mad a little bit. It's one of the worst feelings when you get stopped out by like a couple pips and it goes through right after. That happened yesterday on this same pair actually. Yeah, it's looking like that might happen. Not 100% on it yet. Definitely could. How many pips is that? Let's see. 30. Yeah, I couldn't move it anyway because I'd have to move it to like 5. I can't do that. Can't do it. Sunil Kumar, you said you want to read the chart, but I have no skill for any reading the chart. Kindly guide. Yeah, like I said, you can watch my YouTube videos, check out the course, read a couple books on trading. That's what I did. It took a while, but you know, didn't take that long. Okay, got another trade possibly developing over here. No. Nah, I can't take that one. I was thinking about going short here, but probably not, actually. Okay, so this one of those situations. I'm gonna put a I'm gonna put an alarm. If it makes it up here, it'll it'll wake me up out of my sleep, and I'll be able to oh, I gotta save it. Hold on, save and refresh. Okay. So if it only once. All right. So if it crosses there, it'll wake me up out of my sleep and I'll be able to get it back on the way down. So hopefully it doesn't stop me out. It'll just go through. But yeah, I don't see me taking any more trades today. I don't think. Let me take a quick look around. Oh damn. Oh, I was gonna get into this one too. I was gonna short this one here. I should have did it. Okay. That was a good one too. Let's see. Okay. Still got this one going here. Should go through. And we got this one here. Very iffy. I'm about 60-40 on this one. It should go through, but 40% chance it might fail. But yeah, no point in me sitting here watching it. I already took the trades I'm gonna take, so I'll call it for today. And we still got tomorrow for Friday's live stream, and then we will be done with June, getting into July. Alrighty, so I'll go ahead and call it there. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all tomorrow. Later.